The 3M Bear Hugger Lithotomy Underbody Blanket is a specialty blanket which delivers unrestricted patient access and flexibility for procedures involving the abdominal, perineal and pelvic cavities. It features a soft, radiolucent, latex-free material which is extremely durable. On the front of the packaging, the product code is clearly visible. It also shows the latex status and CE mark. The blanket is simply removed from the peel-open pouch. The lithotomy underbody blanket is positioned on the procedure table before the patient arrives in theatre. Unfold the blanket along the table and then open out both sides. Provided with the blanket is a generously sized clear head drape, which can be used to reduce heat loss around the patient's head, whilst maintaining visibility for the clinical team. The generous perineal aperture provides the clinician with unobstructed patient access. There are 2 adhesive strips to secure the blanket to the operating table and reduce the likelihood of blanket movement during the procedure. Once the patient is in position, the perforated tie strips can be used to secure the blanket to the back of the patient's legs. This will provide a supply of warm air to the legs, increasing the amount of body surface area being warmed. 2 perforated apertures along the side of the blanket allow flexible patient positioning, the use of an arm table and additional table accessories. The blanket is equipped with 1 hose port near the head of the patient, ensuring the warming unit is away from the surgical field but easily accessible to the anaesthetic team. The hose only needs to be inserted to the first ridge as shown here, and the hose port is reinforced to provide rigidity and easy attachment of the hose. The temperature management unit can now be switched on to supply the warm air into the blanket. The consistent perforation pattern provides even distribution of warm air to the patient, whilst the fluid outlets help to keep the patient dry and minimise the cooling effect of pooled excess fluids. The 3M Bear Hugger Lithotomy Underbody Blanket for unrestricted patient access when the patient is placed in the Lloyd Davis or lithotomy positions.